Hi, I'm Rachel North. I'm Deputy Chief Executive at Derby City Council, and I'm here to talk about Infinity Park Derby, a unique collaboration across the public, private and academic sectors to create a 100-acre enterprise zone commercial technology park in the heart of the Midlands. A really important collaboration, Infinity Park Derby, with Rolls-Royce, with the City Council, the academic institutions of the University of Derby and private sector developers at a local level to create a 100-acre site available for the nurturing and fostering and innovation support for high-tech manufacturing industry. The park itself is about supporting the next generation of advanced manufacturing, so it is all about creating the environment and the best sort of place to foster, develop, culture, nurture and grow advanced manufacturing opportunities around the supply chain in the East Midlands and beyond. The park itself is the home to the Centre of Supply Chain Innovation in Transport Engineering with the University of Derby, providing cutting-edge research and support around new startups and developing small and medium-sized enterprises in this sector. So why Derby? Derby has a unique history as being a place for makers and making, the site of the first ever factory. It has sort of 200 years of experience at being at the cutting edge of advanced technology. We're back in terms of 200 years ago around the Industrial Revolution, all the way through to now being at the cutting edge of new technologies in supporting, particularly around transport engineering. The location of Derby being right at the centre of the UK, equidistant from all of the various ports across the nation, has a really good access to the transport network across the country and is really well located. Within a 30-minute drive of Derby is access to 1 million people, and within those populations, really high numbers of highly educated and highly skilled engineering workforce, so a real sense of access to skilled employment. We also have on the doorstep, as mentioned, global players in the transport and automotive, rail and aerospace industries in Rolls-Royce, Toyota UK and Bombardier that are part of that overall supply chain in providing the environment for nurturing and fostering creativity and talent. And in a post-COVID world, where we need to build back better, where we need to create the environment for real creativity and innovation in our economy, opportunity to use the capacity at Infinity Park Derby to diversify, to decarbonise, to support the economic growth we all desperately need to maintain our economy into the future. So within Infinity Park Derby, we have the iHub. The iHub is a managed workspace run by the City Council, but is really about creating the opportunity, that cradle of support for innovative businesses, new businesses and those who want to grow to test and support their development into advanced manufacturing in this sector. Houses the Institute for Innovation and has within it an iLab, a rapid prototype support facility to provide access to technology to support those businesses to grow. Over the last few years, we've had the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre based in the iHub in terms of understanding whether there is a proof concept in that supply chain, is there interest in innovation that can be built, and that has been really successful to the degree now of the Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre Midlands opening on the iHub, taking a large plot and creating that real cutting-edge, world-class research and development facility for the supply chain around the sub-region and region. So really the Infinity Park Derby project as an enterprise zone is about a catalyst for growth. How do we support that development of high-tech, high manufacturing, innovation and creativity across the sectors, and how do we create the environment to support that? So part of Infinity Park Derby is the benefits that it offers to those organisations and companies wishing to start up or to grow in this space. So offering around business rate discounts, enhanced capital allowances for purchasing of capital plant, etc., to maintain and to grow those businesses, access to a range of grant programmes, both those from the public sector and broader, the local enterprise partnership, European access to European funding, and also the City Council itself. And alongside that, a real wraparound support package from those players to make sure that anything that is required to build that sustainability, that innovation, make that possible is available. So support from the City Council around licensing, planning, support around land drainage for those sites to make sure it's as easy as possible for new companies and those that wish to build a profile to be able to do that in this location. So this land is well serviced and is supported, and the innovative support used through the university, our access to those global players and the support more generally from other parts of the sectors, really creating an environment for nurturing and fostering and promoting advanced manufacturing, technological support for our industries and for our economy for the future.